Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a unit that we have on sale right now. This is a 2019 Wells Cargo 8.5 by 24 plus V. So this trailer is going to give you guys 26 a total space between the tip of the V to the back. It's in a charcoal exterior, 3-year factory warranty with Wells Cargo. Everybody knows the Wells Cargo name. They're great trailers. You do have the diamond plate rock guard here along the bottom. Side door does have an RV style lock on it, so that'll give you guys a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. 250, 200-pound axles with brakes on all fours. Then you guys also have side vents with this unit. Rear ramp door has a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. Transition flap on the ramp door as well, and then also a dovetail because this is a car hauler, so it's going to give you guys a nice easy angle coming in and out of this trailer with that transition flap and the dovetail at the back. Side escape door as well, so set up perfectly for cars. Again, 7-foot interior height, and then you guys can see the back deck drops down about 3 inches, and that's what's going to give you guys this nice easy angle coming in and out. 4 D-rings. We've got 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front. This trailer is also equipped with the awesome DryMax product. This is the product that does not absorb the water or the moisture. It's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so very nice upgrade there. There's the back side of this escape door with that RV style lock as well. 1-piece aluminum roof with Wells and Haulmark products. Couple of overhead LED lights, and then those are linked right here to this little switch, so you can turn those on and off easily. Here's the back side of this RV lock, which you guys can see, lock-a-latch and a set of keys. Interior step coming into the trailer, and there's those 2 more D-rings. So we've got 24 feet plus this V-nose area right here, giving you 26 feet from the tip of this V to the back. Side vents as well. We've got one up here and another side vent is in this back left corner, so it'll naturally vent the trailer a little bit for you guys, which is great when you're hauling cars and UTVs and dirt bikes and stuff in here. So here it is. We have a crazy price on this unit. Our Black Friday blowout sale price is at $99.77 plus tax. If you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We do have shipping options available, and as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485 or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.